Imagine buying a tiny piece of companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Tesla, and years later, that small piece could be worth thousands of dollars. That is exactly how the stock market works, but many people think the stock market is complicated, risky, or just gambling. They see math, falling charts, or even think it's like a casino. In this video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. By the end, you'll understand how the stock market can help grow wealth over time. So what exactly is the stock market? It's a place where people buy and sell small pieces of companies called shares. Companies need money to grow, build factories, create products, and hire employees. One way they raise money is by selling small pieces of the company to the public. Imagine your friend opens a pizza shop and needs more money than they have. You invest $10,000 and get 10% ownership. If the shop grows, your share becomes more valuable. Once a company sells shares, they start trading on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Stock prices move based on supply and demand. More buyers push prices up. More sellers push prices down. Investors can make money if a stock's price grows. Buy for $100, sell for $150. You earn a $50 profit called a capital gain. Some companies also pay dividends, small rewards shared with investors for holding shares. For example, Apple went public in 1980. A $1,000 investment then would be worth millions today. Many successful investors like Warren Buffett buy strong companies and hold them for years, even decades. Beginners often treat the market like a casino, buying random stocks and panicking when prices drop. An important rule is diversification. Spreading your money across different companies reduces risk. At its core, the stock market connects companies that need money with people who want to invest. It's not magic or gambling. It's simply a marketplace to buy and sell ownership. Understand it, think long-term, and your money can grow.